Hello guys. Good evening from Portugal. Boa noite. Hola. Okay, today I have 20 euro session. 10 new nova versão da Super Recompensa. The new version of this ticket. It's called Super Recompensa. Recompensa guys means reward. Sorte set, lucky 7 in English. Let's start. Vamos começar. Okay, ticket number 4 and 5. Okay, how to win on this ticket? We're looking for a cash symbol to win the prize shown. A watch to win 30. No, 50. Spora to win 100. The Roda in Portuguese. Or tire to win 150. And Porta. Carosa. Soul. Finding symbols, guys. Ferradora. Bota. Chapéu. Montañas. Tribu. All the symbols that I don't need are all here. Saco de dinero or money bag. Hi, winner! I found the Nota symbol. Woohoo! It's a winner. Notas. 100 euro. Ay, 5. 5 otra vez. Okay, so I got 5 euro. Let's hope this is a back-to-back. Cacto. Cofre. Sheriff. Ferradora. Tribu. Dice, moedas, coins. Montañas, mountain. Chapéu, hat. Barrel. Cerca. Lingote, gold bar. Fino. Carroza. Ay, Jesus. Bota. Soul. Okay, so. Lobo. Diamante. Porta. Come ticket. Foguera. Bonfire. Ay, Lord. Okay, so this is not a winner. Now let's go to lucky 7. I have 15 and 16. Let's go to ticket number 15. Nope, 43. Nope, 43. Size 4. Size. Why this? I tried for this dancing. 4. Size 4. Size 4. Size 54, 29. 54, 29. 26, 12. 12, 26. 26. 48, 19. 48, 19. 8, 33. 8, 8, 10, 33. 33, 8. 40, 27. 27. 40. 27. Size 18. Size 18. This is a winner because there's 9 here. 9, 12, 18, 26. It's a winner. 18 here. 26. No, oh Lord, 46 now? No, 46. Cool, but I got a win, guys. I need 45, 52, 31, 17. Ay, 17, 32. No, 52. 17. But no 1, no 45, no 37, no 31. Only one win, no 45, right? Only one win. Be big. Ay, Lord of mercy. 5. Ay, Jesus. Okay, I found a win, guys. But all the minimum in the world. So I got 10. Not bad. So far, I got 10. Let's hope this is a win also. I like this ticket, guys. 30 set. Normally, almost every session, I win. 38, 23. 38, 23. 12, 19. 12, 19. 3. 3. 30, 43. 43. 30. 13, 31. 31, 13. This size 37. 37. This is size. Very far from reality, guys. 48, 21, 21. 48. 54. 41. 41. I need 4 to win. 54. 41. Isa. 26, 32. Ay, Lord. 32, 26. At there's no. 26, no 33. No 4. 26. This is not a winner. If I don't miss numbers, this is not a winner. 54 here, but no size. Okay, so no 33. I was hoping there's 33, but there's no 33, of course. Lottery code, T and F. So almost sure it's not a winner because two different letters. But not bad, guys. Okay, I think this is called not bad because I got some wins. Better than nothing, yeah. Okay, so I got 10 euro out of 20. So I got one win in every ticket. In every ticket. Okay, all the coffee money in the world is as expected. 5 euro and 5 euro. Ticket number 15, ticket number 4. Okay, so what can we do? We keep trying, guys, until we get bankrupt. Let's keep trying until we get bankrupt. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.